AI. My favorite part of this entire tool is definitely the text-to-image feature. It's where imagination truly meets technology. I began by typing a vivid and futuristic prompt, a futuristic city where a car competition is being conducted. Imagine this, glowing neon tracks, roaring engines, and a high-tech skyline lighting up the night. That's it, no complex setup, no tweaking, just pure creativity in words. Within moments, the AI brought this vision to life, crafting an ultra-detailed image where sleek cars speed through neon-lit streets against a backdrop of towering futuristic architecture. The reflections, lighting, and realism are simply stunning. Every pixel feels alive, as if it's a snapshot from a sci-fi movie. Once you've entered your text-to-image prompt, it's time to bring your imagination closer to reality by fine-tuning your visual style. This is where the creative control really comes in, because every visual has its own story to tell. Vision. Now, just give it a moment, the AI is working behind the scenes to bring your image to life. Here we can see a beautifully rendered futuristic city, filled with glowing lights, modern architecture, and vibrant energy. Right in the middle of it, a sleek and stylish car appears on the road, perfectly blending with the city's high-tech atmosphere. The AI has captured every detail, from the reflections on the car's surface to the depth of the cityscape, creating a truly cinematic visual. Now, let's switch over to one of the most fascinating features, the image-to-video tool. This is where your still visuals transform into motion, adding depth, energy, and life to a single image. Start by choosing the image you want to animate, whether it's a product shot, concept art, or like in this example, a futuristic car on glowing city streets. Next, move to the aspect ratio settings. Here's where you shape your videos frame, 16:9 for cinematic widescreen, 9:16 for vertical reels or TikToks, and 1:1 for social media posts. Now, it's time to enter the prompt. This step is completely optional, but it helps guide the AI's imagination. For this demo, I'm typing, a car running on a futuristic road, simple, yet powerfully visual. After that, pick your mode, either basic or pro. Then, select your resolution, depending on how sharp or high quality you want your final video to be. Once everything's set, just click Create and let the AI take over. In moments, your image comes alive. Our futuristic car now races through neon-lit roads, surrounded by glowing skyscrapers and cinematic motion. Now here's where things get truly exciting. Under the Video Tools section, Pollo.ai brings a full suite of powerful, game-changing features that feel like a professional studio right inside your browser. Start with the video subtitle remover, clean captions, AI dance generator, auto choreography. Restyle dance video, dance remix. Anime video enhancer, anime boost. Video to anime, stylized motion. AI face enhancer, detail restore. AI podcast generator, voice creation. AI talking baby podcast generator, fun narrations. Lip sync AI, voice match. Image to animation AI, animated stills. Video upscaler, HD clarity. Video enhancer, visual polish. Face swap video, face replace. Now, when you click on Lip Sync AI, you're greeted with an amazing, clean interface that instantly feels professional yet simple to use. It starts by asking you to upload a video, which seamlessly integrates with the text-to-speech prompt, letting you either type your dialogue or upload a local audio file. Then, you can choose your voice rendering contributor, the AI voice that brings your character to life with natural, expressive lip synchronization. Truly impressive. Now, take a closer look at the sample video playing on the screen. You can see how smoothly the AI syncs the voice with every lip movement, creating a natural and lifelike expression. It's a perfect example of how powerful and precise the lip sync AI feature truly is. Next, let's explore another powerful feature, the video upscaler. Start by uploading your video, whether it's a product clip, cinematic scene, or any footage that needs visual enhancement. Once uploaded, you can choose the scale depending on how much clarity or detail you want to restore. Then, move on to selecting the mode that fits your goal, from standard for balanced results to more advanced options for high-quality rendering. For this demo, I've selected standard mode, just to show how efficiently it works. Now, with a single click, the AI begins processing, enhancing sharpness, improving textures, and refining every frame. And here it is, let's take a look at the demo. You can clearly see how beautifully the video has been upscaled, with richer detail and stunning visual clarity. Now, I've clicked on the Image Animation AI feature, and this is where static visuals truly come to life. The process couldn't be simpler. Just upload your image, and with one click, the AI gets to work, generating a beautifully animated video version of it. No complex settings, no manual editing, everything happens automatically behind the scenes. It's impressive how the AI adds motion, expression, and flow, turning a still picture into a cinematic visual that feels alive. Have a look at the demo video playing on the right, smooth transitions, natural movements, and stunning detail all in one. Now, let's move on to one of the most fascinating tools, the face swap video feature. I've clicked on it, and right away, the interface keeps things simple and easy to follow. First, you'll need to upload your base video, the one where you want to replace the face. Next, upload the target face image that you'd like to swap in. That's it, no complex steps or editing layers. With just these two uploads, the AI does all the hard work for you. Behind the scenes, it analyzes facial angles, lighting, and skin tones to ensure the result looks smooth and natural. It's surprisingly quick, and in just moments, your transformed video is ready. Now, take a look at the demo playing on the right. Notice how seamlessly the new face blends in, with perfect expressions and consistent motion throughout the entire clip. Now, let's explore one of the most entertaining tools, the AI Dance Generator. With just a few clicks, you can turn any static image into a lively, dancing character. Start by clicking on the feature, then upload the image you want to bring to life, whether it's a person, character, or even your brand mascot. Next, select a dance template from the library. From hip-hop grooves to elegant moves, there's something for every vibe. Once you hit generate, the magic begins, and you'll see the demo video playing on the right showing how your creation dances effortlessly to the rhythm. Next, let's check out the AI Face Enhancer, a smart feature designed to make every face in your video look clear, detailed, and lifelike. Click on AI Face Enhancer, upload your video, and adjust the scale to your liking. Then, choose Face Mode, which focuses enhancement precisely where it's needed, on faces. The AI sharpens expressions, improves skin texture, and refines details while keeping everything natural and realistic. With just one click, your video transforms into a sharper, more cinematic version, similar to the video upscaler, but specialized for facial clarity. Look at the demo video on the right. You'll see how effortlessly it enhances each frame with stunning precision and realism. Now, let's move on to the image generator section, a powerhouse of creativity where you'll find an impressive lineup of AI-driven tools designed to redefine how visuals are made. Explore features like AI Cloth Changer, perfect for instantly transforming outfits, AI Product Photo Generator for professional e-commerce visuals, and AI Art Generator to craft unique artistic masterpieces. You also get Image Enhancer, Image Upscaler, Anime Upscaler, Logo Background Remover, White Background Creator, Unblur Image, and Denoise Image tools to polish every pixel with precision. For creators looking to personalize, there's AI Tattoo Generator, Cartoon Character Maker, Image Extender, Face Cutout, and Image in Paint, all built to simplify complex edits in seconds. Each tool is intuitive, fast, and incredibly efficient, helping you achieve studio-quality results without the need for manual editing. Just upload, click, and let Pollo.ai's image engine do the magic. Now let's dive into the AI Clothes Changer feature, one of the most creative tools in the image generator. Once I click on AI Clothes Changer, I simply upload the image I want to modify and then select the clothing style. The interface offers a wide range of avatar-style outfits to choose from: formal, casual, streetwear, professional, or even themed looks. You can preview different styles and experiment with combinations until you find the perfect one that matches your vibe or campaign theme. The AI automatically detects the body shape, posture, and lighting, ensuring that the outfit fits naturally and looks authentic, not like a simple overlay. It's perfect for virtual fashion trials, e-commerce model shoots, or creative ad visuals. Once I hit generate, the transformation happens in seconds, and on the right side, you can see how beautifully the outfit change is rendered in the demo video. Next, let's explore the AI Product Photo Generator, a fantastic tool for marketers and e-commerce creators. Once I click on it, the interface opens up neatly, asking me to upload a product image. After that, I simply choose the aspect ratio that fits my display preference, whether square for social media or wide for ads. Then, with just one click, it generates a clean, professional-looking product photo instantly. Look to the right for the demo output. Up next is the People Remover, one of the most practical AI tools for photo cleanup. Once I click on it, the interface appears clean and simple. All I need to do is upload the image that has unwanted people or distractions. The AI instantly detects human figures in the frame and removes them seamlessly, blending the background naturally without leaving any trace or rough edges. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for enhancing product shots, landscapes, or portraits where you want complete focus on the subject. Take a look at the demo result on the right, clean and flawless. Now, let's move on to the Denoise AI feature, a true lifesaver for anyone dealing with grainy or low-quality images. Once I click on it, a clean interface appears, prompting me to upload the image I want to enhance. That's all it takes, no complex settings, no filters to tweak. The AI automatically analyzes the image, removes unwanted noise, and sharpens the finer details while maintaining natural texture and tone. In just a few seconds, what was once a messy, pixelated photo transforms into a crisp, digital masterpiece. Have a look at the demo on the right, the difference is simply stunning. Now, let's explore one of the most fun and visually engaging tools, the Cartoon Character Maker. This feature lets you transform ordinary photos into unique cartoon or animated characters with just a few clicks. Once I click on it, the interface appears with a clear layout. First, I upload the image I want to convert, then choose the art style that fits the mood or project. For this demonstration, I've selected the anime style, which gives a vibrant and expressive animated look to the character. You can further refine your output by selecting the desired aspect ratio, depending on whether it's for reels, thumbnails, or profile art. And that's it. Within seconds, your static photo evolves into a captivating cartoon masterpiece. Look at the demo video on the right. Now, let's try the AI Background Changer, a super handy tool for transforming any image's setting instantly. Once I click on it, the interface opens up neatly, asking me to upload an image and then enter a prompt describing the background I want, whether it's a beach, futuristic city, or studio setup. That's it. With one click, the AI replaces the background flawlessly. Look to the right to see the stunning demo result. AI Girl Generator, AI Chibi Generator, AI Fantasy Art Generator, AI Text to CAD, AI Sketch Generator, AI Outfit Generator, AI Word Art Generator, AI Graffiti Generator, AI Pet Portrait Generator, Pixel Art Generator, AI Movie Poster Maker, AI Face Generator, AI Face Portrait Generator, Disney AI Poster Generator, AI Superhero Generator, AI D&D Character Generator, AI Car Generator, AI Animal Generator, AI Monster Generator, and AI Flow Plan Generator. Each feature adds a new layer of creativity, giving limitless ways to turn your imagination into art. Pollo's free trial offers limited credits, while the Lite plan gives 300 images or 30 videos. It's an AI-powered tool that lets you create stunning videos anytime, anywhere, effortlessly.